I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by turning on the phone's voice assistant and granting microphone plus any location or notification permissions it requests. Once done, set a clear wake word or a physical shortcut and choose the language that matches your speech. Make sure your microphone is unobstructed and at typical speaking distance. This reduces false triggers. You should test a simple command like "call mom" immediately so you confirm audio permissions, and wake response before moving to integrations and custom commands. Once the assistant responds, train voice match or the voice model so the system recognizes you better. This reduces mistakes. Next, create routines and custom phrases for multi-step tasks. Map them to app shortcuts or system actions for speed. Make sure each linked app has background access and the right account signed in. Also check accessibility options for speech rate, feedback style, and confirmation prompts so interactions are predictable. After configuring, run each routine to validate timing and permissions. You finish by thoroughly testing common tasks. Place a call, send a message, start navigation, and, if enabled, perform a payment flow. Make sure to adjust microphone sensitivity and confirmation prompts to avoid accidental actions. Reduce risk by requiring confirmation for sensitive tasks. Back up your assistant settings to your account so you can restore them later. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is: restart the assistant service and microphone permission, then rerun voice training.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.